Ready to shatter the barrier between AI art and reality? We're diving into the secrets of crafting unbelievably realistic images using Midjourney, turning your digital dreams into visuals that could fool even the keenest eye. First, nail your prompts. Forget vague descriptions. Think like a photographer. Use precise language. For example, instead of a forest, try a sun-drenched forest. Dappled light filtering through ancient oak trees. Morning mist. The more specific, the better. Lighting is key. Experiment with different lighting styles. Rim lighting can create stunning silhouettes, while volumetric lighting adds depth and atmosphere. Don't underestimate the power of soft lighting for a natural look. Pay attention to textures. Add descriptors like weathered, grainy, smooth, or rough to bring surfaces to life. Zoom in on real-world references to see how light interacts with different materials. Composition matters. The rule of thirds, leading lines, and careful symmetry can transform a snapshot into a masterpiece. Consider the angle and perspective to guide the viewer's eye. See the difference? Subtle tweaks in these areas can dramatically elevate your images. So go forth, experiment, and unlock the full potential of photorealistic AI generation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Midjourney tips and tricks.